Hold on.
You almost went right down there.
Tell me what's going on.
What? Focus. You need to get your tube legs back.
Yeah, you do. It's a great video, man.
It's actually better than you stuck there.
Funicular railway was constructed over a period of 3 years and is one of the more recent to be built in this country. Special design considerations had to be included to help the structure cope with the extreme weather that occurs in these mountains. The Victorians introduced funiculars to the UK, and they take their name from the Latin word for a rope, funis. Each carriage weighs a total of 15 tons. That's the equivalent of about 12 family cars and can carry a maximum of 120 passengers standing. This is a bit of a squeeze during the busy days of winter, and we've reduced this capacity for a more comfortable summer journey. The transport system is powered by two 500 kilowatt motors, which are located at the top station. Each carriage is attached to a haul rope, while a lighter counter rope is also attached to the carriages to form a complete loop. The counter rope maintains the tension in the pulling system. As the carriage at the bottom is hauled up, so the top carriage descends, very much like a lift. As one goes up, the other one goes down. The carriages are connected by the ropes and can only move at the same time. The whole system is operated by computer from the control room at the top.
Moving back to the landscape, many visitors ask about the fencing on the mountain. This fencing is critical to gathering snow on the ski runs in winter. As the snow falls in the wind, it is blown into the fences and drifts build up along the lee side. Snow moving machines called piece machines then move the drifted snow from the side of the fences, spread it out and pack it down on the ski runs. Red grouse and ptarmigan can often be seen sheltering behind the fencing on stormy days, providing an alternative to the mountain woodland scrub habitat which is now absent from most of Scotland.
When the fjord does eventually melt, it reveals a number of footpath trails, including the All Abilities Trail and the Lower Cass Loop, which leads on to the Corrie Cass Mountain Trail. These footpaths have been designed to allow visitors to discover the mountain in relative safety and in their own time. If you are very lucky, from these paths you can see most of the plants, animals and birds that inhabit these high heights. As we approach the end of our journey, on the left-hand side looking downhill is the Mountain Garden and Camera Obscura building. The Mountain Garden has been developed to display and demonstrate some of the amazing plant and tree communities which can be found here in the high Cairngorm Mountains. On behalf of the staff here in Cairngorm, we thank you for being with us today and hope that you have enjoyed your visit. We look forward to welcoming you, your friends and family back again sometime in the future, and we wish you a safe onward journey.
Well, here we are now arriving back in at the base station. Once we've come to a halt, we'll exit through the doors on the right hand side as you're facing forward. Then you'll see the exit door in the far left hand corner of the platform here. Thanks again though for spending time with us today. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves despite the mixed weather that we've had. And do have a great afternoon with whatever you're doing with the rest of the day. Thank you.